And you remember back in 2020 when the world was grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic? That time is now, and I am living it. I'm John Blunt. I have a company called IsGood Woodworks. We are a community shop and a school. And on March 19th, we were ordered to shut down. So I was looking at $9,000 a month in overhead, possibly paying $6,500 to cancel and refund my classes, and no income, $17,000 in the bank. And that's it. That amounted to basically 1 month. So, if you let fear do its work, it's a lifesaver. I did let it do my work for me. I dug right in and I looked at it. It was very clear that I had to preserve my subscribers, monthly paying subscribers, that I had to make my students happy with the idea that we would just postpone the classes and start them up later. And so I got that. They were all very happy with it. I gave the subscribers rollover, so all their hours will be accumulating, and that did the trick. And as you can see, it worked. Now, after a couple of weeks, I'm all set with my systems are for living are set up. I've got food delivery. I got some grants and loans applied for. Got my office guys set up to work at home, and I'm geared up for videos. I'll be working on my own projects, my health practices, shop improvements. I'll be available for video conferencing, and I'll be telling my story. And I invite everybody to follow along. Thank you.